Hello. Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm fine as well. Thanks for asking. What kind of music do you like? I'm crazy about pop music. Is that the kind of music preferred in your country? It varies. Normally, the youth enjoy rock and pop, while middle aged citizens prefer country music. Who is your favorite singer? I'm a big fan of Miley Cyrus, a talented US singer, songwriter, and actress. What piece of music do you like? Who sang that song? My favorite song is Jolene, sang by Miley Cyrus. How much time a day do you spend listening to music? I usually listen to music all day with an MP3 player. Do you feel relaxed listening to music? Sure, I feel like there are no more worries in the world. Why is music important to us? Music has the power of beautifying our life. Do you usually go to bars or clubs? Not often. I sometimes go there on weekends. What do you think about the teenagers' music style? Teenagers tend to choose loud and fast music, like rock or rap. Everyone has their own taste of music, though. Have you ever thought of forming a music band? No, I don't have any talent for music. Bye. Goodbye. Hey there, everybody. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to view more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.